In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated reports in Jotform tables. Whether you're gathering feedback, handling customer inquiries, or managing project data, automating your reports can save you time and help ensure that your data is always up to date. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up seamlessly. First things first, start by heading over to jotform.com. Once you're on the sign-in page, you've got a few options at your disposal. You can either sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can go the traditional route by entering your email address and password. Having these choices means you can use whatever method is most convenient for you at that moment. Once you're logged in, look for the drop-down menu next to the Jotform logo. This menu is your gateway to navigating through different sections. From here, choose My Tables. This section houses the tables you've created or are working on. It's essentially your central workspace for managing and viewing all your data entries. With My Tables open, click on the specific table you want to generate a report for. You'll then select View Table to pinpoint the exact information you need. Above the table, you'll notice an option New Tab. Clicking this will provide you additional options to customize or view your data representations. This is crucial for our next steps. A dialog will pop up, presenting you with various ways to view your information in a more visual format. In this dialog, find and select Reports. Reports are essential for turning raw data into digestible insights. The next step involves choosing a specific form that you want to use for your report. This ensures that the report is focused and relevant to the data you're interested in. You then have the choice to select between an extended or compact report type. The extended type will give you a more detailed report, perfect for deep dives into your data, while the compact one condenses your information for a quicker overview. If you're feeling creative or have specific requirements, you can also select blank to design your own customized report from scratch. The flexibility here allows you to cater the report format to whatever best suits your needs. Now here's the best part. Once you've set up your report and chosen the type, your table's automated report generation is ready to go. This means that the report will automatically update whenever you receive new submissions on your form. So you're always working with the most current data without having to lift a finger. It's a real time saver and takes efficiency to the next level. There you have it, a complete guide to automating your reports in Jotform tables. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you give it a try to streamline your data management. Thanks for watching and see you next time.